Hello, my loves. I dug out the red lip, so you know what that means. The Crochet Academy is back! And we're doing it real big for the 5-year anniversary. Wait a minute. Wait a gosh darn minute. Did they just say they still don't know what Crochet Academy is? Well, come close, bestie, and let me get you together. Have you ever found yourself wondering, what are the best crochet hooks? Does my project need to be blocked? And what does it mean to work in pattern? I get it, the lingo can be really confusing. But don't you worry, babes, I get questions like this all the time. With so many makers either coming back to crochet after a long hiatus or trying crochet for the very first time, how do you avoid from bouncing from video to blog post, video to blog post? Well, that's where Crochet Academy comes in. The Crochet Academy 5-year anniversary event kicks off Monday, August 18th to teach you the fundamentals of this addictive craft. We'll go far beyond the basics of just how to crochet and teach you the why of what you're doing. So in the future, you can conquer any project or pattern. Crochet Academy is 100% free, always has been and always will be. There is absolutely no fee to participate, and all blog and video content will be available in perpetuity, so you can go back and check on it anytime you want to. This event is hosted on my blog, toycblog.com, and you're gonna receive emails Monday through Friday and some Saturdays with links to that day's content. In addition to the posts and videos, there also will be live streams and giveaways to keep you excited throughout the entire event. Now let's talk schedule. Crochet Academy starts off with a 3-week intensive learning program. We're gonna explore a different topic every single day, starting off with the basics in week 1. That's gonna include things like understanding your tools and yarn, and by the end of that very first week, you're gonna have a hook in your hand and have learned the basic stitches. In week 2, we're gonna go a little bit deeper, understanding things like how to read patterns, how to do different color changes, and those very important finishing steps. And since this is the 5-year anniversary celebration, I am taking some creative liberties and going a little off script for week 3. Each day, we'll explore a different conversation I've been having in my crafty DM groups or at my knit nights. Some topics include, why is men's crochet wear so bad? A breakdown of common yarn fibers and how to use them. And we'll close out the final week with crocheting our very first project. But we are not gonna stop there, Once the learning is done, that's when the fun really begins. We'll put all that learning into practice during a 4-week crochet along. And you know I put some patterns together, baby. This time I've got 4 little cuties to help you usher in the fall season. First is the Robin hat and scarf, a modern take on the classic granny square. This hat lets you practice working in the round and adding one of my favorite ribbing techniques to your cute new beanie. The scarf elevates the classic motif by using chunky yarn and an earthy color palette. Then there's the Gloria tote bag. When you're on the go, you need to be ready for anything. And this catch-all is made to hold your essentials plus a small project or two. Made with 100% recycled polyester and a truly addictive stitch, reach for this bag before your trip to the library or that weekend getaway. The Bernie scarf trio is for my indecisive makers. I see you, Libras. If you're not sure if you need a kerchief, a scarf, or a shawl, why not make all 3? An uber soft wool acrylic blend highlights the smooth stitching and gentle shaping of this staple accessory. This might be the one that you gift to the whole group chat. And finally, there's the headliner of the collection, the Savannah cardigan, because you know I'm not gonna give you a mini collection without some Tunisian crochet, okay? This one uses an open, airy stitch to show off the beauty of variegated yarn. With simple construction and size from an extra small to 5XL, this one is calling to all the makers who have yet to stitch themselves something wearable. It's time, babes. It's time. You can get a jump on the cow by planning your projects using the materials list that is currently available in the Crochet Academy blog post. And if you're feeling a little bit impatient, you can get the pattern first by ordering a kit for any of these projects from Lion Brand, available on Thursday, August 14th. Order your kit early and it'll be in the mail while we're doing all our learning. Now, if none of these projects spark your fancy, don't you worry. Crochet Academy's been around for a long time and I've released new patterns every single year. So you can go back to any year's Crochet Academy and use any of the projects from that year for this year's Crochet Along. Links to each of those free patterns as well as the kits from Lion Brand are down in the description. Alrighty, babes, if you're still watching, I'm guessing that means you are all in for Crochet Academy. So here are some details on what to do to get involved and get prepared. First things first, like this video and then drop a comment down below letting me know your burning crochet question that you hope I answer during Crochet Academy. There is no such thing as stupid questions around here, so give me all you got. I'll be answering a few of these questions during my Crochet Academy live stream day, and that's gonna be August 12th. You can join me over on Instagram at 12 noon Eastern and over on YouTube at 1 p.m. Eastern. Next, head to the link in the description to sign up for Crochet Academy. That link is going to take you to an email sign up. Now, your name on that email list grants you access to Crochet Academy, including every day's lessons as well as special announcements. Finally, please take a moment to share this video with somebody you also want to learn how to crochet. This can be your bestie, your neighbor, maybe even a local yarn shop owner. Share this video on your favorite platforms and let's spread the joy of crochet to everyone we know. I can hardly believe we have made it to 5 entire years of Crochet Academy, and I couldn't be more excited to run it back. No matter how long you've been crocheting, there is always more to learn. So give me a little bit of your time over the next few weeks and I'll turn you into a crochet fanatic, guaranteed. I truly hope that you, yes you, will join me for Crochet Academy. Go ahead and click those links down in the description, get on the email list and start planning your cow projects right now. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain, and I truly can't wait to start crocheting with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.